Alright, hey y'all, it's your girl Everything Mia Sims back again with another video. Today's video is going to be just a simple eyebrow tutorial. I took a poll on my Instagram. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Everything Mia Sims. I'm going to link that below in the description box. But yes, I took a poll on my Instagram story maybe 4 or 5 days ago, asking what did my followers want to see, and they wanted to see first a simple eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to be talking about what type of eyebrows I'm into now, what type of products I use, because I use a variation of products, and I'm also going to be talking about just how I clean them up and what I do to clean up my brows. So yeah, if you're this far into the video, you might as well already hit subscribe, join the go, gang gang gang. We lit over here, and that's on period, sis. If you ain't got no go, set some, achieve some. The time is now. If you needed a message or a memo, it's me. I say all the time, 2021, we're coming after everything that God has ordained for us. So join the go gang. Let's hop right on into the video. So I already put on foundation. Yeah, I already put on foundation. I'm one of those people, I like to do everything after I apply my foundation. I don't like to worry about applying foundation and all that good stuff around my brows. It's just not me. I don't really like that. So let me pull out the products that I'm going to use today, and then some other products that I use from time to time depending on what I'm looking for and what outcome I'm looking for. Okay, so now I'm more into fluffy natural brows. So the 3 products that I'm going to be using today is Nyx Brow Glue, the Nyx Lift and Snatch pen, and also this Makeup Forever it's called the Aqua Resist Brow Fixer. So this is going to be first time I'm using that, but I'm going to be trying that today just to show you how like I feel in my brows and stuff like that. From time to time, if I really don't want a laminated look, I go for pencils. And this is a really good pencil that's drugstore that I love, is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I love that it's angled, so you could just go ahead and fill in everything like this. And I also really love the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil. And this, I've used all of this, so now that's why I'm using the Wet n Wild. But yes, both of them were super cheap, super affordable. So, and I like how both of those brow pencils come with spoolies on the end. Another thing that I'm into from time to time, or I may just do depending on the type of look that I'm doing, is Instagram brows. And those are the brows that's very ombre. They're ombre at the beginning and very filled in at the end. And I use this Morphe I can't think of the name right now. This Morphe brow cream, that's what I use when I'm looking for more of an Instagram brow look. But I'm more into the laminated look. So like I said, I go in with the Nyx Brow Glue first. Let me show you what I do. So I get all of the hairs coated first. So now this is what everything looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and give them both time to dry down, and then I'm gonna show you what I do next. So after letting that dry down for a little bit, I take the end of any brush, any utensil, anything, to just smooth my brows like this. And that gives me that really laminated effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to this other side, and then I'll be back. So now after smoothing them out, I have this look. So now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Brow Fixer. I just dab off a little bit of the product so that my brows don't end up super, dark or anything like that. So this is what it's looking like after doing this. Now I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll be back. So I did end up using a little bit too much in certain areas, but it's okay. Don't worry about it if you do mess up your brows, because you're going to conceal them and carve them out, so it's going to be perfectly fine. But after using that, I'm going to go in with my Lift and Snatch pen and just fill in those areas that I feel are a little bit more like sparse. It's okay. Well, it looks a little crazy right now, but we're gonna fix it. So the first thing I'm going to do is conceal the top of my brows with a foundation that is my skin tone, that I use all the time. And I just more so go toward the end of the brows and conceal like the end of my brow. Alright, that's what we're looking like on top. And then I'm going to conceal the bottom. So I conceal the bottom of my brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And it's okay if things get a little bit messy, because I conceal my eyes anyway with a concealer that's almost the same shade. So this looks pretty even. Okay. And then I'm going to conceal the other side. Now this is what we're looking like right now, but I'm going to blend everything out, conceal my eyelids, and I will be back to show you the final results. So now this is what my brows look like right now. Everything is concealed. Everything is blended out right now. Sorry y'all, I look a little crazy. I pinned my hair back, but this is just what I use, and this is just what worked for me. It may not work for you, or you may find out that you like something different than what I use in this video. So don't be discouraged by anything that you try and it does not work. So the first thing that I went in with in this video is Nyx the Brow Glue. Then I went in with the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Brow Fixer. Then I went in and touched everything up with the Nyx Lift and Snatch pen. So this is just my routine. This is just what I use right now. I'm into fluffy natural brows and just filling in areas that are sparse. This may not work for you. You know, whatever works for you is whatever works for you. I'm just glad that you guys are interested in just watching how I do things and how I do my eyebrows, because I'm by no means at all a professional at all, but I'm still learning, and you guys are learning and growing and progressing with me. So yeah, I'm gonna be back and show you guys the final look after I finish everything. It's not gonna be anything super spectacular. It's gonna be super simple, super neutral. So I'll see you guys after I finish. All right, so this is the final look. Yeah, so like I was saying, whatever brows you feel comfortable with is whatever you decide to do. I just decided to give you guys some of the things that I use so that you can get a flawless brow like how mine are. But it's up to you, whatever you decide to use. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Join the go. Gang, gang, gang. We lit over here, and that's on period. Since you ain't gonna go set some achieve sometimes now. If you needed a message or a memo, it's me. Let's get it done. I'll see y'all next week with another video.